Guys, if you've been looking for a job, you'll understand that looking for a job on its own is a full-time job. Like, you have to spend hours on your laptop, surfing through the internet, searching different job websites, and all of that is very exhausting and depressing at the same time, especially if you're not getting the desired results you want. But how about a way to use AI to have AI do everything you want for you while you sleep, eat, hang out with your friends, or even spend time on the things you love to do the most? So on this video, I'm going to share with you AI tools that can help you automate your job search, job application. They will even help you filter everything, your resume, your cover letter, and the type of job you want. All you have to do is just relax and allow it to do everything, including making your applications for you. And that way you stand a better chance, because these AI tools are ATS optimized. Like, they know about ATS and what recruiters can possibly be looking at for in any application. So it's going to make your application for you to stand a better chance of getting the job. So if it's something you're interested in doing, please consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel to be a part of our growing community, because on this channel I share about remote jobs, ways to make money online, and skills for you to learn. So if you want to stand a better chance, please join our growing community so you don't miss out on any information that we have to share on this channel. So that being said, the first one I want to talk about is the one I use personally, and this website has AI job tracker that scans multiple job boards, helps you tailor your resume with keywords for each job, and sends alerts for new remote jobs that match your profile once there is any job available. And it's best for keeping all your job applications organized and automatically, so that you can have everything handy whenever you need them. So if you come to the website, you see that it says better resume and it's fast at searching. It gives you 6 times opportunity to be interviewed in any job role that you may be interested in. So this is basically what the website looks like. It has AI inbuilt that helps you to automate and to have all these tasks done for you. So this is basically how it works. You sign up, you search for jobs, you apply, and you go. So what this one will do majorly for you is to give you that idea about what your resume should be about and what your cover letter should be about. It also has resume examples that you can copy from to be able to build your own to stand out, and it has professional resume templates as well that you can use, and so many other features that you may want to level up your resume and cover letter template, so you have something you're working with. So if you're interested, you might want to check out THQ. So the next tool is for people that are passively looking for a job, like you're not really in a rush, because this one will automatically apply to the job for you. All you have to do is to upload your resume for it to use as reference to filter whatever that is needed and to make applications where necessary. So the name of the website is Loop CV. That is the name of the AI tool. And if you come to the website, it helps you get 3 times more interviews while you use AI. All you have to do is upload your CV, select the type of job you want, press start, and Loop CV must apply on your behalf every single day. That is the best part about this website. And how it works is you create your profile and upload your CV, you select your desired job titles, location, and many other optional settings. This AI tool will search for jobs and either apply on your behalf or give you total control of your application. What it means is that even if you don't want it to make the applications for you and you want to apply by yourself, it gives you the chance to do that. So it automatically applies to the job, it automatically emails recruiters, and it measures and improves. That is the feedback that it gets. Maybe if your application is rejected, it knows how to make the necessary improvement, or probably tells you what to do to improve your chances of getting interviewed once you make your application. So here is a demo video about how it works. It is filling out information. You see the search info, the email template, the preferences, and then the review here. So you can just see how it works. It's doing everything all by itself, and once it is done, it will tell you that it is done. And it is loop because it is continuous, like it will keep applying to job for you. So the good thing about some of these AI tools is that some of them have free plans and also paid plans. So depending on what you want to achieve, or if you have the money, you can upgrade to a plan that will allow you to have access to other features, or if you don't have, you can start with the free plans as well. So but not all of them have free plans, so just so you have that in mind. So another good thing you need to know is that if you come down to the website, you see that some of them have some career options where there are openings for jobs that you can search for to see if it's something you can also apply. So it is a way for you to benefit in 2 ways. So if you come down here on this Loop CV, you can see that they have for job seekers, boot camps, recruiters, and all of that. So you can also check out the careers if you're looking for a job. So you have career opportunities with them. For this particular AI tool, they are looking for full stack developers, and they're looking for junior operation and administration assistants, junior sales assistant as well. And they have locations where the jobs are available. So if you're in this location, you can actually make application. That is the good thing about this website. So if you're interested in having AI make the automation and apply for you, you should definitely check out Loop CV. So the next AI tool will help you to track job openings in different locations all at the same time. It is best for people that are freelancing or actively looking for a job. Now, this platform also suggests roles that it feels that your profile can fit in automatically for you, so you don't need to start looking for those roles by yourself. Everything is done automatically. So the name of the platform is hunter.co. So it also promises to give you more interviews once you use them to make your application. You can build your resume with their AI, tailor your job with their AI, track your job, autofill application, and resume checker to know if your resume is good enough to be used to apply to any job. So you can see other features here that you can get, especially when it comes to tracking your job and making your resume to look professional and as good as possible. So you can actually find these things out here. So it can also help you to autofill your application in seconds. That is, if it's something you want. What this means is that you have to guide it while it autofills. It's not like automatic like this Loop CV that I mentioned earlier, so you have to have that in mind. They also have samples of resumes and cover letters, or the things you're expected to know for any job role you're applying for. So it's all here, so you might want to check it out. And like others, you can also find jobs here, like you see here where it says careers. So at the moment they don't really have any job opening for this one, but here are the benefits you stand to gain once you start working for them if you're able to get job. So they also give you new laptops and other accessories you need to work with them. That is the best part about working for them. So if you're interested, you can keep checking to know. They also have boot camps, universities, career coaches, and all of that you can get access to here on the platform to be able to kickstart your career and know where and what exactly to do. So if it's something you're interested in, you might check out hunter.co to be able to get started. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section, so when you see them, just comment "seen" so that I know that you have seen them. And because I work with some of these tools, I have created a 12-in-1 job application bundle that can help you make your job application from start, that is looking for job, to preparing for interview. So you don't need to worry about this. The best part is they are all ATS friendly, and you can customize it to different job applications that you may want to make. So if you're interested, you might want to grab a copy with the link in the description below. And if you're seeing value so far in this video, please don't fail to like, subscribe to our channel, and be part of our growing community. We really appreciate you all for your support. So moving on, the next AI tool is for people that want to make application quickly. Like you can use autofill to make job application from jobs that can be seen on places like Indeed, LinkedIn, and all those job boards, because you can actually see them and then you can apply with this particular tool. And the best part is it is going to save you hours of manually searching for jobs on these platforms. So the name of the platform is Lazy Apply. Like the way it sounds is Lazy Apply, because you can literally be sleeping and it autofills your job applications for you. So if you go to the platform, this is what it looks like. Here, this is a demo video about how it's applying for jobs. This is actually a job it got from LinkedIn. It's going to go through it and make the proper application for whoever that is interested to have it autofill for you. You can actually do that here. So it automates your job application process. So what it means is that you don't have to be physically present to be able to make application. Here are some of the features it has. It has smart referral emails, track everything in one place, and here is what you do. It streamlines your application. They have advanced AI search algorithms, so your profile will never be blocked by any platforms. And then they have personalized autofill. That is when they use their GPT to automatically fill the job application for you. So here is it. Now, unfortunately, this one does not have any free plan. It has basic, premium, and ultimate plan that you have to pay for. So here are some of the reviews that the people that have used them are saying, like what they have to say about the platform, and you can check it out as well. So let's look for job openings, if they have any job openings here. So unfortunately, they don't really have any job openings for this particular website. So but here you can see that they have cover letter samples, AI tools that can help you do other things, recommendations generator for LinkedIn if you want it to generate recommendations for you, and so many other things that you can do with it here. So you might want to check out Lazy Apply to get started. So the last one we're going to talk about is one that is like Chrome extension that optimizes everything you do online when it comes to job application. So it optimizes your LinkedIn and auto find remote jobs for you, and then it gives you personalized job recommendations daily. So it is best for job seekers who want to improve both visibility and application. So if you want to be seen and you want to continue making application, then this particular tool is for you. So if you come to the website, this is what the website looks like. The name of the website is careerflow.ai, and it says land your dream job without stress. So here are the companies they have worked with, and here are the things you start to gain once you start working with them here. So here they have worked with over 500,000 job seekers, and they have 60% first time for interviews. What it means is that 60% of people that have used them have gotten interviewed, and then 2 times more job offers. So here everything. This one is instantly build your job ready resume with AI and every other thing you need to know. Like, it also helps you to auto-fill your application to make it fast and easy for you, and of course for you to track your job application. So these are everything that it does for you, and you can check it out to know more about this place. We also partner with organizations that support job seekers, like boot camps, workforce development, outplacement, career coaches, and all this stuff to help job seekers. These are reviews from people that have worked with them and so much more. So the good thing is this one has a basic plan that is free, and for this basic plan you get unlimited resume templates, unlimited job autofill. That is actually cool, like unlimited. So it means once you have created a profile, you can just be sleeping and you have your job being applied for you. You can track 10 jobs and 1 free resume, basic resume keyword matching, which is actually cool. So let's check if there is any job opening here. So if you come to this place where it says job opening, so as you can see, they already have some. This one is career coach and it's a remote job position in the United States, data annotation specialist in India. This one is full stack software engineer and other software engineer also. So they have other locations, like if you're in South Africa, they're actually looking for people. They're also looking for people in Western Africa, so people from Nigeria can actually try their best here. And we have North Africa, Pakistan, Singapore. So you should definitely check this one out to make applications to get started. So as you can see, this AI tools do not just offer you services like making your resume and cover letter stand out, or even helping you to apply for job or look for job or even track your job application. It also gives you the opportunity for you to make job application and stand a better chance of being hired. So if you're interested, please make sure to check them out with the link I'm going to drop in the comment section, and when you see them, please comment seen. And if you're looking for other remote jobs or how you can make money with Nano Banana, please check out all these videos showing on your screen. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.